Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well. In today's video I'm going to be sharing what I'm putting in my 3 boys carry-on luggage for the aeroplane. So I am a single mom of 3 boys who are 11, 9 and 7. This is actually their first time ever going on an aeroplane, and it's my first time taking them away as a solo parent, and we are very excited. We are going to, I have to whisper it because they don't know yet, and I don't want them to hear me. We are going to Cyprus for 11 nights, so quite a long time. So yeah, I wanted to show everything that I'm putting in their little bags that will hopefully keep them entertained at the airport and on the flight and until we get there. So I hope you enjoy seeing everything. Okay, so I've got it all laid out, which is just a better way for me to just know that I've got everything that I need and that they've all got the same things basically. Plus it just gives me a little bit of satisfaction, cannot lie, when it's all laid out like this. So the bags that they are going to take on the plane are from tkmaxx. I've said about these a couple of times. I think they are just the perfect size. I love the colour as well, and they were around £10 each. I've also just put their hats here because they were also from tkmaxx, and they were £4 each, so they can wear them if they want to. They're going to be wearing like just some comfy loungewear, just like tracksuits, and then just trainers, which will include obviously a hoodie as well, so if it gets cold on the plane then they can keep that on, or you know, obviously take it off and put it in their bags if they want to. I've also got water bottles. I just got these from Tesco. We'll obviously take them empty, then fill them up with water once we get through security and everything, so that they can have a drink, because buying bottled water is crazy expensive, isn't it, at the airport. I got them some activity books as well, just from Amazon. I'll link them below. So for Toby I got him this brain game one. I'm hoping it'll fit in the bag. I think it should just about fit. There's absolutely loads of things to do in there. It's just if they get bored of their iPads, then obviously there is a load of this to do. I just need to put in some pens and pencils in each of their bags. I got this one for Dylan, again off Amazon, which is a similar puzzle book. Just try to get age appropriate ones because Dylan is 9, Toby is 11, and then Archie is 7, and he has got, oh, knocked the bottle over. He has got this one, which has got loads of age appropriate things for him to have a go at. Just need to, like I say, get some pens and pencils to pack in their bags. They also have a wallet each, so I will put a little bit of money in there just for when we're at the airport, and obviously when we get there, just in case. And it just is something that they like to have, because it's just that little bit more exciting. They want to take some Easter money with them, and I can put some euros in there for them. Again, they were off Amazon. So Archie's is like this funky blue one, Dylan's is like that, which is the same as that but a different colour, and then that is Toby's. They also have, oh, if I can open it, a little attachable key ring, so it's quite good for just keeping any information in as well. In case they do a Macaulay Culkin and get lost at the airport. Let's hope that doesn't happen though. I also got some travel games off Amazon as well. So this was a pack of 3. I've taken them out the box. So this is how they come. So you've got Frustration, or that's what it was called when I was a child anyway. I think it's called Pop and Hop on here. Connect 4 and Guess Who, just all in there. So I thought what I would do, they've got all the little bits that are all in this envelope. Now I'm either going to keep this in my bag, or I'll separate them up into like sandwich bags, and then they can have a game in each of their bags, and then that is just something that they can share out between them. And obviously when we're on holiday as well, they can still play all these games. I've also got their iPads, obviously, which are going to be the main thing that they will want on the aeroplane, and we're going to download loads of films off Disney on each of their iPads, and make sure that they've got games on there that obviously don't need the internet. So that is going to keep them hopefully nice and entertained for the flight. And I have got headphones as well for each of them. So again, just for whilst they're chilling out on the plane, it's obviously going to be a few hours on there, so that should be enough to keep them busy. Now these boxes are something, it's a very Pinteresty way of providing some snack entertainment for them on the plane as well. So I'm going to fill each of these were just from Home Bargains, a few pound, they're like craft boxes, but I'm going to fill them with loads of different snacks. I'll do that in just a second so you can see me doing it. You can just put all sorts in. There's loads of ideas on Pinterest as well to just fill these up like a little graze box for them. So when they're sitting on the plane, they can have a whole selection of snacks. I'm also going to obviously put some in my bag as well. But yeah, loads of little snacks for them whilst they're watching a film. And I think that will keep them pretty happy. They'll also probably take, well, Archie and Dylan will want to take a soft toy with them. And yeah, that is pretty much everything that they will be taking in their little bags. Okay, now I'm going to fill up their little snack boxes. I have got just all sorts. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to put in there yet, but it'll be a mixture of like nice treats and bits of fruit and things like that, crackers and stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to start filling it all up, and they'll vary slightly probably. Okay, that is then done. They can now go in the fridge, ready to go in their bag, and they have got absolutely loads of snacks to go out. I'm going to put an apple in each of their bags as well because it's very sugar snacky heavy. I can appreciate anybody watching this thinking that is a lot of treats. It absolutely is, but we're going on holiday and they don't eat like that all the time, so they can have some treats. But yeah, I'm going to put a little bit more fruit in my bag, probably banana and apple and things like that. Yeah, in the fridge they go. So just a few of the things that I'm taking in my bag. This is my carry-on bag that I got off Amazon. I'll link it below. It fits absolutely loads in. I took it on a couple of days trip to Paris and it just fit everything in. It's really, really good. Loads of compartments, really lightweight as well. So in there I'm going to take, just in my little liquid pouch, I've got some steroid cream, just in case Archie or Toby's eczema is getting on the nerves a bit whilst we're travelling, and then just a Vaseline and then just a little deodorant. I don't really think I need to take much else. I might take a little like refresher spray, like a little face spray, but I'm not sure yet if I'll really need anything like that. I'm also taking Toby's inhaler, and I've also got some plasters in there as well. I've got both of his inhalers and his spacer. This is really good. I got this from Etsy. It's got my name on it as well. I love anything that's personalised, and it's just a travel wallet. So it's got our passports in, it's got money in, it'll have the boarding passes in as well because I'm printing them off as well as making sure I've got them on my phone. It's got our e-hic cards, so that is just really handy just to keep everything together, especially if you're traveling with multiple people you're responsible for. Then it's just good to have it all in something like that. I've also got myself a water bottle, and then I'm going to take all of their chargers. In this case, I think I got this off Amazon as well. It's just going to keep all of the wires and everything together, because obviously they have got a lot of devices, and I have as well, so I'm going to keep everything in this zipped up case and just keep it with me. I've also got a new book which I'm excited to have a read of. This is called Atomic Habits, which I'm going to take with me, which is just a great motivational book of how to keep on track and build good habits. So I'm looking forward to reading that, and then I'm just going to take some snacks as well, just things like polos and that, just when we take off in case there is pop or anything, and just a couple of snacks for me. And that is just some of the things that I'm putting in my hand luggage. I really hope that you found that useful, and I also really hope that I've remembered everything. And yeah, please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I would absolutely love to see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.